Yeah, can you explain, Akash, what you are trying to convey by this poster? It's looking so nice.
Nothing, sir.
Uh, you should not tell like that, right? So it seems like you are trying to show you're protecting the valuable organ of our body, the heart, in the hand.
Yes,
So
yes.
our
Yeah.
health is in our heart, and we need to protect our health. And you showed it very pictorially with a emotional attachment to it by heart. Very nice, Akash. Well done. Well done. Any others? Purnima, can you show yours? Any others? I think Soumya will do. Tannu, where are you? Tannu, Vanshika, Purnima, sorry, Priyanka, Neelangshi, dear Neelangshi Gupta. Neelangshi will prepare. I'm 100% sure. She will be good at these activities actually. She will draw the best diagrams in her answer sheets actually. Yeah. Any other students? Navneet, where are you? What happened to you?
Sir, not prepared, but I will prepare. Yes.
Yes, yes, Navneet. I'm looking forward for you.
Hmm.
Yes, Purnima, where is your poster? See, I'm not commanding, I'm just requesting. You should participate voluntarily, right? It is because based on your interest only we are conducting these activities. If you are not participating, how we will get that enthusiasm for the next event? Hakikat, Dalchand, Manibhushan, Shakil, Parvez, Rashmi, Rukaya, Sachin. Akash will got appreciation letter for sure. Obviously, sir, Akash must get.
Yes, sir, Parvez.
Yes, Parvez, have you prepared anything, Parvez?
हेलो
Yes, yes.
सर क्या प्रिपेयर करना है पोस्टर
Any poster, Parvez, on Health Day?
तो
See, this
प्रिपेयर
is
नहीं की सर
you can even draw on a piece of paper with pen. Poster doesn't mean you need to prepare in Photoshop. Or in it should be meaningful. It should be meaningful. It should give some nice meaning, which is it should be attributed to the health day. Okay. If it is
तो
telling
सब
a meaning,
ट्राई करूंगा मुझे आता नहीं है सर लेकिन ट्राई करूंगा
yes, you can try. You can just explore on the Google. Be creative. Take some concepts and express in your own way. Copying is not bad. Everyone will have their own uniqueness to represent their topic. So you can see Google. I'm not. There's nothing wrong in it. Rashmi, Ronak, Rukaya,
Yes, sir.
poster. Have you
So,
prepared anything?
mm, so virtual.
Yes. Ronak, prepare some poster, Ronak. Or do you have anything to share regarding health?
So
Any
wait,
suggestions? Hmm. Yes,
wait, sir.
Ronak.
Wait.
Hmm. What you are feeling about health? Can you give any message? What you are trying to? Can you share anything good with us?
Sir, health today's health day.
Mm-hmm.
सर जैसे कि मैं the
Yeah.
some
Please switch on the
some,
camera, Ronak. So it look nice. Please switch on the camera if possible.
can I
Be
see?
the best. You are the best. Hmm? Yes,
Sir,
please continue, Ronak.
today
Very
we
good.
know today
Hmm.
we know the different type of disease came.
Hmm. Hmm.
Like the tuberculosis and other things, typhoid. There is a vaccine,
Hmm.
but there is a problem in today health is diabetes mellitus.
Mm-hmm.
There is no permanent cure.
Exactly.
Treatment can help, but there is no permanent cure because in diabetes mellitus there is extra sugar in blood,
Hmm.
and then that pancreas are not able to produce enough insulin to register the cell to use the insulin in body.
Mm-hmm.
But in some cases the diabetes mellitus is reversible.
Mm-hmm.
There is some cases like yoga, running, brisk walk, like be hand in a ये क्या कहते हैं, in a wall
All. Mm-hmm.
wall and walk.
Mm.
This is a brisk walk and some yoga and some exercise. Then is a in some cases it is reversible in low cases.
Mm.
And there is a three type of diabetes in today world: pre-diabetes,
Mm-hmm.
type A, and type B.
Mm-hmm.
Type A is in any stage, means adult onset, later stage. It is in happen in any stage.
Mm-hmm.
In this case, type A diabetes, in case the pancreas are not able to produce enough insulin,
Mm.
because its break pancreas is not able. And type B diabetes, it is some insulin, means low numbers of insulin produced.
Insulin receptor deficiency, some secondary problems. Mm.
And pre-diabetes in the pre-stage of diabetes, means आपको हो सकता है डायबिटीज ए भी हो सकता है, डायबिटीज बी भी हो सकता है.
Mm-hmm.
And in क्या था, in diabetes there is some symptoms की excessive thirst होना,
Mm-hmm.
and fatigue, tenderness, and weakness,
Mm. Mm.
and not able to do exercise.
Mm.
And the diabetes is happen in most of cases, like if you are suffer from any infection, like and parasite infection.
Mm-hmm.
Then parasite, it goes from intestine to pancreas. They reach in pancreas. If a single attack is major, then in this case also pancreas does not work properly.
I really like this idea first of all. So somehow the pancreas was damaged by either parasitic or anything. So that will result in diabetes. Very nice. So what message you are trying to give by to Health Day with diabetes, Ronak? I do really
So
appreciate your talk. Mm.
in health day, the my message is
Mm.
you proper hygiene,
Mm-hmm.
with proper diet
Very
and
good.
proper lifestyle, and regular exercise, because
Perfect.
exercise burns our calorie, and there is a very very big help to cure our internal problems. When we the internal problem, when see there is a 50% damage, then we see our body is damaged.
Exactly. Yeah, until half of the body damaged, we won't see any signs and symptoms in the patient. But by that time, he is deteriorated. So by having proper healthy lifestyle, proper diet, by exercise, we can really, decrease the level of damage to the internal organs.
Yes,
So
sir.
very good, Ronak. Nice. Anything
Thank
to
you,
say?
sir. Sir, I say regular exercise help to live longer and live fit.
Perfect. The best message. See, regular exercise can make us stay longer, to live longer, and we can appreciate this life for more period of time. Very good,
Thank you,
Ronak. I'm
sir.
really yeah, happy to see your message. Well done. Well done, Ronak. Everyone must be like Ronak, okay? See how nicely he shared without any fear. No, he spoke with from the bottom of heart. That is what I want. That is what I was expecting from you, right? Any others? Purnima, can you? If you want, you can share a message. Others,
सर मैं शेयर करूँ फिर पीछे
yes, yes, Navneet, please. Navneet is the best, always. Please switch on the camera, Navneet.
अच्छा सर सर asking is audible sorry स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
Yes, you can explain now, Nit. Where is your presentation? I can't.
Okay,
Do you
sir.
prepare anything? Do you want to
I am
present?
share-
Mm-hmm.
I am sharing, sir, few
Okay,
posters.
okay. Yes, I can see your shared screen. Maybe you can open your photo
Okay.
or anything. Mm. Mm. You can press that.
Sir, screen is visual.
Yes, it is excellently visible. Very good. Trying to say by this.
We know already the 7th April is World Health Day. In this day, we are awareing the we are take information about the health, how to maintain a good health, and
Also,
what is
can
yeah,
speak in
what is procedure. In this figure, we are I have mentioned a few image and few tips to get good health in life. Number one, eat a healthy diet means we have to take a proper diet with all vitamins and ingredient that is needed to a good healthy means a good body. And second number is be physically active. Energy die your way means physically activity. We have to do some activity in a day to maintain good health. And number third is get vaccinated means we should take vaccine a proper time. And fourth is don't use any don't use any form of tobacco means we should not take any type of tobacco like cigarette, pan masala, and alcohol also. And fifth is avoid, minimize use of alcohol. Uh, I always said do not take alcohol. And sixth number is manage stress for your physical and mental health means we should not take any stress mind pressure uh, to get good health. And seventh number practice good hygiene means uh, we should care on hand hygiene also because of the main root of the infection is mouth. When we are taking any type of food, anything that is taken by the hand, so we should care about hand hygiene also, the proper hand hygiene. And eighth number is don't speed, drink and drive. Don't speed, drink and drive means we should care also. Drink means uh, when we are driving any type of vehicles like car, buses, jeep, then during this time we should not drink alcohol. Wear a seat belt and practice safe sex. Safe sex also we know already various type of disease also are there by the sexual contamination. So we should care on this point. And last one is breastfeeding best for by beds and breastfeeding best for by babies. Okay. means we should care this
Only mother's milk
12
to
point.
the plant. We should not give any milk product, packet milk to the babies, and that may cause health damage to the infants. Exactly, Navneet. The best points. So, any conclusion of your PowerPoint, of your presentation? Uh, Sincerely, it is very nice, Navneet. Any message, take home message by you? Mm.
Yes, sir. Message is we know already these 12 tips to are important to health, but some tips are very important. That is number 7. Good
Mm.
hygiene. Practice good hygiene.
That,
Because of we
yes.
know, yeah, we know already the mouth is main root of the main root of the entry of infection. Due to we have to care this point, and also dieting, because of dieting is a major point
Mm.
to save the body. And
Exactly.
yeah,
Yeah, very good. Excellent. So you have given the best message actually. So yes, personal hygiene is important. Okay. So we need to stay hygiene. We should bath regularly. We should eat properly. We should wash our hands properly, because if you see the root of infection, one of the major root is fecal-oral route, and you are self-contaminating if you are not practicing proper hygiene practices. That is not only problematic for you, but that is also problematic. You are also infecting others, your neighbors. So obviously, personal hygiene is important to maintain health, and also, as our Navneet said, diet. We are what we eat at last. So if we are eating bad things, then our health will be bad. So exactly, Navneet, the best message. So well done, Navneet. Thank you very much. Yes,
thank you, sir.
Sir, can I?
yes. Students, by the way, there is something called a piece of appreciation that you can do by clapping, but no one appreciating your friends. Hmm? Too bad. Yes, Purnima, you can continue.
Yes,
Hereafter,
sir.
yes, you are clapping. I'm happy to see your clap. Yes, Purnima, please continue with yours. Navneet, you can stop sharing your screen actually. You can stop sharing, Navneet. You can press that button. Yes. Stop present. Or else I will do it. Okay. Yes, Purnima. My goodness, so you in short period of time you have made colors. Very good, Purnima. Is it
Sir,
Purnima?
can you see? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
I can see it. I can see it, Purnima. Yes. Okay. Oh, fine. So nice. Uh, Purnima, can you keep it? Can you show it again?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hmm. You can show and you can speak, Purnima, if possible.
पूर्णिमा एक पिक्चर लेके स्क्रीन शेयर कर ले फोटो क्लिक
A
करके
picture of it is fine. No, not
अच्छा,
necessarily video. Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yes,
Wait, sir, wait for 1 second.
yes, Purnima. Take your own time. Oh, so nice. I was waiting of your picture. Yeah. Next, Shakil can take. Okay, Purnima, please continue. Yes, perfect, perfect. So you have wrote 7th April 2021. Make me corona free for this. Yes, Purnima, please explain what you are
Yes,
trying to tell.
now on 7th April 2021, World Health Day, I will like to share my that the World Health Day is celebrated every year on 7th April under the sponsorship of World Health Organization. It is held to mark WHO founding and is seen as an opportunity by organization to worldwide attention to a subject of a major importance to global health each year. In World Health Day celebrated on this day, for doctors, nurses, and other professional consent efforts. They work tirelessly to give us a beautiful life, and we must value them. The objective of World Health Day is to spread awareness around the globe to on a specific issue relating to health. Health refers to a person's overall well-being, physical, mental, and social. It is not just about the objective of living, but also about having resources to lead a better life. 7th of April is celebrated as World Health Day. It was declared first health council of the World Health Organization in 1948. It came into effect in 1950. The main aim of the World Health Day is provide to proper healthcare service to everyone. People around the world celebrate the occasion of World Health Day. This day focus on the awareness of people around the world to take care of their health. In this poster also, one of the nurses or doctors are supporting. Now this time we are facing problem with the coronavirus, so I represent that we can fight from them and support all the doctors and nurses and who fought for us and being healthy and clean.
Very good, exactly. Yes, sir. Okay, so very nice. Actually, this is what I was expecting. So during pandemic situation, our health hygiene is very important to get ourselves protected from deadly viruses, infectious viruses such as corona, and that can be done by a simple hand wash. So by cleaning hands with alcohols, we can able to kill the viruses, and by having proper hand hygiene protocols, we can protect ourselves from deadly viruses and protect our health from such viral attacks. And very nice, Purnima. And also Purnima said about three important statements. She said that health means it includes physical, mental, and social. Exactly. When we say health, that doesn't mean always physical. Always having exercise is okay. We need exercise. Apart from exercise, we also need proper social interactions. If you are just being alone sitting in a room, means that will cause stress, psychological stress, and that causes psychological problems. So health doesn't mean having healthy physical lifestyle, having healthy social interactions, and having healthy psychological awareness. So by maintaining all these three, we can stay healthy. So it's a combination of these three. And our Purnima has given a very nice pictorial and verbal presentation of health awareness. Very good, Purnima. Well done. Nice of us. Well done,
Thank you,
Purnima.
sir.
Yes, very good. And what about Shakil? Shakil, are you ready? You can stop sharing your screen, Purnima.
Yes, sir.
Shakil, please proceed.
Yes,
Shakil.
sir.
Yes. Hmm.
First of all, I wish a very pleasant World Health Day to all.
Can you turn on your camera, Shakil? That will be great. Can you turn on the camera? See if you only feel comfortable, okay?
I am also sharing PPT photo.
Okay, okay. Then you can share your PPT. No issue, Shakil. Yes. Sorry for the interruption, but please share your PowerPoint and take
Is it
over.
visible, sir?
No, Shakil, nothing.
Not visible.
Mhm. Go to Teams again and check properly that option in the app. Come to this. Yeah, perfect. It's sharing now. Yeah, now I can see your screen. Open your WhatsApp.
I have collected some tweets
Okay,
and
fine.
I want to share those.
Yes, Shakil, please continue. Please proceed. Yes. What you want
Health
to
is
share?
such a important things. The first priority in our life. Without health, we can't do anything. So, taking care of our body is first priority to maintain a good health. What are the steps? By going through them, we can take care of our body. First is take deep breaths, meditate or practice mindfulness, eat healthy and well balanced meals, exercise regularly, hydrate well, get plenty of sleep, and connect with family, friends, and those you trust.
Hmm. Yes, Shakil. Yes, please continue, Shakil. Shakil, I think you got some internet problem there. I can't hear you. Check your mic once. Yes, please continue, Shakil. Can everyone listen my voice? Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think Shakil got some internet issue, it seems. I think he will return back. Meanwhile, Shakil, I can't hear you, Shakil. Any others? Any others wanna take? Any share anything? Something regarding health? It need not to be posted. It can be even talk like the way our Ronak took. Any other students? Shakil will come back. Meanwhile, we can proceed. Any others ready to share? Where is Tanu nowadays? Tanu became very silent. Tanu, Priyanka, where are you? Dolly, Masum, Mr. Masum.
Yes, sir.
Yes, do you want to share anything?
No, sir. Right now I am not prepared, sir.
No issue. Any others? Shakil, are you back?
Sorry, sir,
Okay, okay. You can continue now, Shakil. Please continue. So first you have shown taking care of our body, then you have shown about the interaction with family members. Mhm.
So I was saying that connect with our family members, also friends, those we trust with our feelings, because it is important to stay connected with our loved one whom we trust about our concerns and feelings. And also, we should take some social distance from not only people, also from social media, avoiding watching, reading, listening to news stories about the increasing or decreasing, how many deaths occur, because it can lead setting. And take social media apps off in our phone for a while to rest your mind. And also, we should select some activities which entertain us, make time to do some other activities that we enjoy, and may opt to learn expressive art such as painting and poetry. Expressive art is an excellence way to provide an emotion outlet using creativity. That's all, sir.
Oh, very good, Shakil. By seeing your presentation, I came to know one fact. See, there is a wide misassumption about meditation. So meditation doesn't mean sitting quietly and taking deep breathing or enjoying the nature quietness. Meditation is also means involving ourselves deeply into any one work, emerging ourselves into some work. For example, if you are doing your even like painting, so when you are painting, you are highly focusing in a narrow band, and you know what they used to say is, if you are doing your favorite work, that is 1 hour of your favorite work is equivalent to 1 year of meditation. So literally, hobbies we need to encourage, and we need to spare some of our valuable time for our favorite hobbies, so that it will enhance our peace of mind, and it will have a good psychological, good health, psychological health. And you have did one fantastic job in presenting, Shakil. Very good. Thank you very much. You can continue. Any others? Well done, Shakil. Well done. Anyone else who want to give presentation or showing their present poster? Okay, then thank you for today to be a part of that World Health Day celebration. We have to conclude our celebration with a small video, and after that you can leave. Okay, there was some uh, one
Can
video
we
we have
leave
to
now, sir?
after a short video you can leave.
Okay.
Okay, anyone wants to give the suggestion or anything can give, and or other can sleep. Thank you, everyone.